How to save Reddit video to camera roll. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Reddit and let's find a video to download. Say for example this video right here. Click on it, and once you do that you need to click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and from the given menu list that just popped, click on download at the bottom. And by doing that your video will be downloaded to your gallery. So let's go ahead and check that. And as you can see, the video is right here and it has been saved to your mobile phone. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can download Reddit videos to your phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.